Hello everyone, welcome back to Chao. Today I am going to share another delicious recipe. We are going to make strawberry yogurt smoothie. In another video, I have shown you how to make simple passion fruit yogurt smoothie using powdered yogurt and also using puree. Today it is going to be the more premium version. We are going to use fresh yogurt. This time I'm just using a local yogurt. You can use any brand that's available to you. And for the strawberry, I am going to use frozen strawberry. It's not easy to find fresh strawberries where I am. And also for smoothies, frozen fruits are better than fresh fruits. So I'm using local brand of frozen strawberry. And also we are going to use other ingredients, simply a little bit of my condensed milk. This is my homemade vanilla syrup and water. So we are going to make a 22 ounces strawberry yogurt smoothie. Let's get started. Of course, we are going to use a blender. And for the topping, I am going to top up my drink with some granola. Okay, just to top it up. Instead of putting some tapioca pearls or grass jelly or cognac pearls as sinkers, I'm going to top this up with some healthy options using some original granola. I'm going to make this strawberry yogurt two-tone. So let's start by making our yogurt. This is a 180 gram yogurt. Usually you can just use it like this, but I like to add a little bit of sweetness to it. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of my condensed milk. This is entirely optional. You don't have to do this, but this is just my secret recipe that is no longer a secret. Okay, and then give it a stir, make sure they're well combined. And just so that I can use it as a walling for my drink, I'm going to move it into a squeezy bottle. Let's just put this aside for now, and we're going to blend our drinks. Now this is your one layer. I'm going to now make my second layer, or the real smoothie, which is about 80 grams of frozen strawberry, and then 2 ounces of water, 2 ounces of my homemade vanilla syrup. If you are using a commercial vanilla syrup, you might wish to make it less. Do not use so much, maybe about 1.5 ounces, because commercial syrups are sweeter. And I'm going to use 1 cup or 16 ounces of, okay. Why are we using only 16 ounces cup of ice when we are going to make 22 ounces cup of strawberry yogurt smoothie? The reason is because we also have the frozen strawberry there, which makes up for the remaining 6 ounces. Okay, so now let's pop this into the blender and start blending. And it's now time to assemble them in our drink. So for this, I am going to start by putting some of the yogurt at the bottom and then drizzling around the cup with yogurt. Okay, let it pour all the way down, and then we are going to put our smoothie. Now this is a blender spoon. It's very convenient to use because it is long. and then fill it to the top with yogurt. Okay. Top it up with some granola, and you have your delicious strawberry yogurt smoothie. Strawberry yogurt smoothie using fresh yogurt and frozen strawberries. Now it's time to give it a try. I have two straws. One is gold and one is orange. Orange, gold. Okay, and so best part of the show is to give this a try. Very healthy. Crunchy granola. This is absolutely to die for. I am going to finish this after this tutorial. Delicious. If you're using fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries, you will need a freezer to keep your strawberries. And if you're using frozen yogurt, you also need to keep it refrigerated. There you go. I have now shown you two different types of yogurt smoothie drinks. One was using puree and also powdered yogurt. And for today's recipe, we use frozen fruits and also frozen yogurt. For today's recipe, you will need to have a chiller or refrigerator or a freezer in your milk tea or coffee shop. But absolutely to die for. If you have any questions about this recipe, do let me know, comment below. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please share the love and click that subscribe button. In the meantime, I'm going to finish my strawberry yogurt smoothie. Stay safe, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.